For the first fix, turn off proxy settings. A misconfigured proxy can often block internet access. Here is how to disable it. Click the Windows search icon and type in inetcpl.cpl. Then you hit enter to open internet properties. Go to the connections tab at the top. Then you click on it. Head down and click on LAN settings. Under proxy server, make sure use a proxy server for your LAN is unchecked. Then you click OK to apply. For the second fix, let's disable IPv6. Sometimes IPv6 causes connectivity conflict depending on your router or ISP setup. Click on the Windows search icon once more and type ncpa.cpl. Press enter to access network connections. Go ahead and right-click your active connection, whether Ethernet or Wi-Fi. Then you select Properties. In the list, uncheck Internet Protocol version 6. Click on OK to apply. For the third fix, set IPv4 to auto-detect. Incorrect internet provider settings can also cause the issue. Let's reset them to default. Right-click on your network adapter, then choose Properties. Select the Internet Protocol version 4 and click Properties. Make sure both of these are selected. Obtain an IP address automatically and obtain DNS server address automatically. Click on OK, then you click on Close. For the fourth fix, restart your network adapter. A quick disable and enable can refresh the network interface. Right-click on your network adapter again and choose Disabled. Wait for a few seconds. Right-click it again and choose Enable. You will notice the connection refresh. This often resolves minor adapter glitches. For the last fix, perform a network reset. If nothing works so far, let's do a full reset of your network configuration. Click on the Windows search icon and then type network reset. Once it pops up, click on it to open it. This will remove all saved Wi-Fi networks and reset network settings. Make sure you remember your Wi-Fi password before continuing. Then you click on reset now. Then you click on yes. Once reset, your PC will restart automatically. After rebooting, reconnect to your Wi-Fi using your password and test the connection. And for the final tips, ensure your network drivers are up to date from Device Manager. Try restarting your router if the issue persists across multiple devices. Use Windows Troubleshooter as a quick diagnostic tool. Just search Troubleshoot Network in the Start menu. And also temporarily disable antivirus or firewall to test if they are blocking your connection. That's it. If this helped you out, support the channel by clicking subscribe. Give this video a like and drop your questions in the comments. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.